Good morning, class 9. Welcome back to the class. So we are in chapter number 6, lines and angles. We have discussed many pairs of angles. Also we have discussed about parallel lines, transversals, all those things. Today we will solve questions from NCERT exercises. Exercise 6.1. See, we have a question. There is a line XY, right? On this, OP is a ray such that OP is perpendicular to XY at point O. So this angle is 90 degree. It is perpendicular. There is another line MN that passes through point O. It means MN is intersecting line XY at point O. Now it says these two angles, because of this line MN, angle POX is divided into two parts, A and B. It is said that the ratio between A and B is 2:3. Right? We have to find angle C. Okay, children? So now pay attention. This XY is a straight line. This angle is 90. So A plus B will be equal to 90. We know that angle A plus angle B will be equal to 90 degrees. Their ratios are 2 and 3, right? So let us consider A as 2x and B as 3x. 2x plus 3x, 5x equal to 90 degrees. So what do we get? X is equal to 18 degrees. We got the value of x. Okay. Now according to this, if x is equal to 18, then what is the measure of angle A? A is 2x. 2 into 18, 36 degrees. What is B? B is 3x, 18 into 3. So B will be 54 degrees, right? We need angle C. What do we see? MN is a straight line. So MOX and XON, they form a linear pair. They are adjacent angles and they are making a straight angle, 180 degrees. So they form a linear pair. It means B plus C is equal to 180. So angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus angle A, that is 180 minus 54, that is 126 degree. So angle C measures 126 degrees. Agreed? Okay, let's move on to another question. Question number 5. PQ is a line. Here, say this is point O. OR is a ray which is perpendicular to PQ at point O. So this angle is 90. There is another ray OS which divides this angle POS into two parts. Not equal parts, just two parts. We have to prove that angle ROS, this angle, is half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay? So we'll do one thing. We'll take angle QOS such that we have angle ROS in it. So angle QOS is equal to 90 degrees plus ROS. Am I correct? Angle QOS is 90 degrees plus angle ROS. So half of, what is angle QOS? 90 degrees plus angle ROS minus angle POS. Okay, children. See, if this is 90, this will also be 90. Right? Because they form a linear pair. POQ is a straight line, 180 degrees. So ये 90 होगा, तो ये angle भी 90 degrees. It means angle POR is 90 degrees. So I have to write angle POS in terms of angle ROS. So POS can be written as 90 degrees minus angle ROS. Okay. Now let's open the bracket. 90 degrees plus angle ROS minus 90 degrees minus plus angle ROS. Clear? Now positive 90 degree, negative 90 degree cancel. We are left with half of angle ROS plus angle ROS, that is 2 times angle ROS. Now this 2 gets cancelled with this 2. What are we left with? Angle ROS. It means half of angle QOS minus angle POS is equal to angle ROS. Hope you got the solution. Okay, now coming to, this is last question of the exercise, question number 6. This question says angle XYZ is 64 degrees. Okay, in the question it is given angle XYZ is 64 degrees. Now this XY is produced up to P. इसको हमने P तक लंबा कर दिया. So XYP is a straight line. Now this ray YQ, it bisects angle ZYP. Bisects means 2 equal divisions. So these two angles are equal. Okay. Now we have to find angle XYQ and we have to find reflex angle QYP. This reflex angle, right? सबसे पहले ये दो निकालने पड़ेंगे. Now angle PYZ and angle XYZ are supplementary. They form a linear pair. So if this is 64, angle PYZ will be 180 minus 64. चलो यहाँ कर देता हूँ. Angle PYZ is equal to 180 degrees minus 64 degrees. That is 116 degrees. Now angle PYZ is bisected by ray YQ, 2 equal divisions. So each angle will be half of 116. What is half of 116? 58. So this is 58 degrees. This is also 58 degrees. Now we want angle XYQ. Angle XYQ is equal to 64 degrees plus 58 degrees. 64 degrees plus 58 degrees. How much? 122 degrees. Got it? Now we want reflex QYP. This entire angle. So this entire angle is, see, this is 180 degrees. And just now we have taken this angle as 122 degree. So reflex angle QYP is equal to angle QYX plus angle XYP. QYX or XYQ, it is the same angle, 122 degree, plus XYP is how much? 180 degree. So 122 plus 180, 302 degrees. Got it, children? So this is how you will solve the remaining questions of exercise 6.1, and in case you have any doubt, feel free to ask.